Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bybit application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search box type in Bybit and search. Look for the Bybit Buy and Trade Crypto application from Bybit Fintech Limited. Now tap the install or the download button to start downloading the app on your device. Authenticate the download using Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID if prompted on your iOS devices, whereas from your Android you can simply install the app quickly after pressing the install button. After the application is installed, tap on Open. And that's how you easily download the Bybit application on your mobile device. Bybit offers a user-friendly interface for trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Bybit tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.